evening, sir.
Good evening.
Sir, please, may you introduce yourself?
Yeah, my name is Prince Emechebe.
Okay.
Yes.
Which organization are you representing?
I'm the President General of Igbodum, Multicultural Organization, Nigeria.
Okay. Why are you here today, sir?
Yes, one of our Igbos in Igbodum, in the name of August Ojukwu, is sitting here today. And he invited us to be here, and that's why we're here, and we're enjoying everything.
So how will you access to this event?
Well, it's good because nothing is 100% actually, but the important thing is that people enjoy the occasion, and we are here. There's a lot of sightseeing. Igbo culture is observed in totality. I love that.
Okay, sir, your name of your organization Igbodum, meaning all Igbos.
Tell us
All
more about
Igbos.
that
So
organization.
how do you think we can bring Igbos united in one common front?
Our purpose of Igbodum is to change the narratives of Igbo people in Nigeria. And they will tell you Igbos are not united. We are united. But things have not happened in the sense of being united. We are united. And that's why in one voice, we are saying that Igbodum stands for equity, justice, and righteousness. So anything against Igbo, we stood against it. Anything for Igbo, we are for it. For example, we are joining our brothers to plead with our president, Emechebe, to release our brother Nnamdi Kanu. He's a man of good heart. He's a reasonable president. We are all pursuing the same goal in 2027. And I wouldn't like you to listen to psychophants. Every 12, there must be Judas. So there may be some Igbo people whispering to him, don't release him, don't do that. But our president is a reasonable man. I know the sacrifice, there is sacrifice in Igbo land, there is sacrifice in Yoruba, there is sacrifice in Hausa, there is sacrifice all over the world. And therefore, we are pleading with him to ignore those things and release our brother Nnamdi Kanu to foster the unity, progress, and security of this country. So that is purposely what we are for.
So, but what I want to ask you is that, are you not worried about this unity among Igbos, even in Lagos?
Yeah, I'm worried. That is why the emergence of this very Igbodum say we correct the anomalies. Whatever that is not good about Igbo, we want to repair it. Every tribe has their own problem, nuclear problem, not only Igbos. But we are particularly on Igbo people to make sure our people are trusted and they are trusted. And our people are happy doing the business with the hosting community. Yorubas are accommodating. I must tell you that. They are very accommodating. I have so many of them as my friends. Some of them were the one who built my house. So they are accommodating. And we also advise our people to start using some foul language. Yoruba, they are the owner of this land, and we must respect it. So what we are trying to say is that we are changing the narratives to make sure our attention is going the same way of loving each other, having access to each other, giving access to each other, and make sure we are united in everything we are doing. Igbo people will do that. I know them. Thank you.
Thank you.